How to activate your Robinhood Debit Card. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Robinhood Debit Card easily. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. Next, tap on Cash Card or Cash Management section on your home screen. Then tap Activate Card. Robinhood will ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your physical debit card. After entering the digits, you will be prompted to set a 4-digit PIN for your debit card. Choose something secure but easy for you to remember. Once you set up your PIN, your card will be activated immediately, and you can start using it for purchases, ATM withdrawals and more. And this is how you activate Robinhood Debit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.